Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. The 16th video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is the flag formations and how to identify them. But before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. A flag chart pattern occurs when the market consolidates in a narrow range after a sharp move. Usually, a breakout from the flag is in the form of a continuation of the prior trend. So basically, if it happens in the middle of an uptrend, then the continuation point will be on a bullish direction. If it happens in the middle of a downtrend, then the continuation point will be in a bearish direction. It is a trend continuation pattern that allows you to enter in the middle of a trend. It occurs when the price of an asset moves up or down in a strong trend that suddenly pauses, like in this area, in here, and in here. The price then trades roughly sideways in a narrow range, often moving in the opposite direction to the original trend. These two trend lines, marking the top and bottom of that range, gives the pattern a flag-looking shape. The price eventually breaks out of that flag and continues its original trend, giving you the chance to enter that trend at a slightly better price than before the flag formed. And as with most patterns, there is a bullish and bearish version. If the rotation of the trend is downwards, then in most cases it is a bullish flag. And if the rotation of the trend is upwards, then in most cases it is a bearish flag. Essentially, the pole of the flag, this is the pole of the flag represents that there was an increase before, and the current price breakout will end up with a similar result. The best way to show it to you to erase all these drawings and put an actual trend line between these two narrow points and put a pole at where that trend began. So if I put this pole at the current breakout point, then I can assume that the price might reach up till this level, which in this case it indeed did reach up till this level, as you can see. Chart patterns are used by many traders, and in most cases they are very efficient. And that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.